I know it doesn't sound very good, but it's but I'm happy. It feels good. Don't sit there. Don't use it to.
Keep doing it. It was funny.
You can sell it to anybody you want.
Then keep doing it because it was fun.
What?
Then keep doing it because it was fun.
Geronimo in jail down south. Something wrong with Geronimo Bill. Water governor. Didn't want to listen to me. Oh Lord, take me back. I wanna ride Geronimo's Cadillac. Oh Lord, take me back.
What are you listening to, Dad?
What?
What are you listening to?
Can't hear you.
What are you listening to?
Geronimo's Cadillac.
By who?
Michael Murphy. Cadillac. Oh boy.
Is it a good song?
Yeah, it's a good song. Go ahead and listen to it. You'd like it.
Are you sure I'd like it?
What?
You sure I'd like it?
Yeah, I'm sure you like it.
I don't think I like it right now.
Well, you're not hearing Michael Murphy doing it.
I'm hearing you do it.
It's kind of like a protest song because this is about Geronimo and about.
Who's Geronimo? Who's Geronimo?
You know the Indians.
Oh.
He was talking about how they were exploited and put on the Indian range, Indian reservations, and taking everything taken from them, and they gave him, a Cadillac. That ought to appease them.
Oh, because
Shut 'em up.
they're not going to use it though because they're Indians. They don't use
Well, yeah,
Cadillacs.
nobody has them. That's not their way of life. I mean, they ride horses. Basically, what they're saying is, hey, be like a white man, and we'll give you a token because you're the leader, and shut up and don't cause us any trouble. Let's go. From his uniform, Jesus told me, and I believe it's true. The red men are in the sunset too. They took your lands and